6, 7, 8 April exam itla और 9th 10th रो month second month. So 6th class first. Class 6 के जो भाव संबित भट्टमाची टोटल भाग्य होती 360 से पाइची केते 262 परसेंट है 72%. सो हम संबित को सामना कर सकूं अनुरोध संबित सेकंड हाइट में निष्ठेराणी प्रधान out of 360 she scored 230 64%. Next third Loknath Pradhan out of 360 she's got 225 percent 62% 63. Next class 7 age विद्युस्मिता प्रधान 360 253 70%. Second Saptini Pradhan 360 239 66% 52. Third Ananya Pradhan 360 239 66% 38. Next class 8 age first Tejaswini Pradhan out of 360 299 83%. Second Chandrasekhar Pradhan out of 360 290 80%. Third Gagan Shankar Pradhan out of 360 281 78%. Next class 9 second monthly test result out of 200 first Dhiren Kumar Pradhan out of 200 he scored 150 75%. Second Vishnu Prasad Pradhan out of 200 143% 71% 5. Third Sakyam Chandra Malik out of 200 he scored 136 68%. Next, last class 10 Manmohan Pradhan. Out of 200, he scored 166. Percentage 83. Second, Akshara Pradhan. Out of 200, 137. And percentage 68. Then, third position. Two number of students, Akash Pradhan and Utkal Kumar Moli. Out of 200, 134 and 134, percentage 67%. आम रिजल्ट टे कंपेरेटिव कर देखिलु गत 9th गत पीरियडिक टेस्ट आउ हाफ इयरली जो जो माने फर्स्ट थे सेकंड को जाय केते जण सेकंड थे फर्स्ट को हला सो ए बडा कंपटीशन मनोभाव रहू आउ आमे स्कूल तरफरु एमान को आडिके करथाळे देखि स्वागत है।
School was closed, class was suspended due to heat waves. ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ତମକୁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ମଧ୍ୟାହ୍ନ ଭୋଜନ ତରଫରୁ 11 ଡେ ପାଇଁ 6, 7, 8 ଆଉ 9, 10 ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କୁକିଂ କୋଷ୍ଟ ଆଉ 45 ରାଇସ୍ ଚାଉଳ ଆଉ ପଇସା ଦିଆଯିବ ସମସ୍ତେ ନେଇଯିବ ହେଲା। जो मानकर अकाउंट अपडेट है ना वो प्रिंट आउट काढ़ी देछि जो मानकर अकाउंट अपडेट है ना से माने अकाउंट नंबर पे दे देबो आ पेरेंट्स मान को कहबो जे अकाउंट अपडेट करंतु आ अकाउंट नंबर देले तम पाको पैसा देबो आ चारोटा तमे स्टोर रूम धरि पड़ेबो। थैंक यू सती सर।
First of all, congratulations to all the top 3 students in each of the classes. Okay. तमवागर कष्टर जेति करथिला तार फल मिलिछि फल भी एते भी माने फैंटास्टिक हेइ जस्ट एवरेज ही अछि बट सिंस सेटा तमर प्रथम घर पई तमरे जो क्लास अच्छा तमर नुवा बहि भी आसीला 7 8 तापरे 9th इज ऑलरेडी के डिफिकल्ट ही आसे 10th अपेक्षा अब 6th थिला तम मन तो फर्स्ट टाइम पे एमटी गुड आरपीए करू सो एनीवे सो जहाँ भी तुम करिस तुम जानि से बर्तन फ्यूचर कोन करे पड़ियो कारण एमटी आ गोटे एग्जाम आउ 6 मास पर हबो जेटा कि हमरा एनुअल एग्जाम मोस्टली जहाँ हम देखि जो आंसर एनालिसिस रे तुमको यदि पचारा जाए तो ओडिया रे तुम बढ़िया से करबो मौखिक यदि तुम पचारा जाए यू विल से परफेक्टली बट द ओनली प्रॉब्लम दैट यू हैव राइट नाउ इज राइटिंग योर आंसर्स इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। That is the only problem that I found while going through all your answer sheets. And I'm pretty sure that's the same thing that's happening in class 7, 8 and 9 as well. So please improve your English because once you improve your English then you can write your answer sheets in English language. That is the language of communication that we have to stick to. Yes or no? So only knowing the answer does not get you mark. You have to express your answer in English language. Only then and then only you can get your marks. Okay, those who are good at English, they have gotten marks in all the subjects, good marks, because they know how to write answers in English. So please focus on your English language. Okay, always communicate with your English teacher in English language, with all the teachers in English language. Tell them to teach you in English language. Okay. And regarding 6, 7, 8, I told you separately in yesterday what more you have to do for the completion of your term 1. Okay, this is term 1 20%. Term 1 for periodic test 1 20% and periodic test 2 will be happening for after the periodic 2 will be happening in term 2. But for term 1 it was periodic test 1 and half yearly. Okay, periodic test 1 20% and half yearly is 80%. So right now you have whatever marks that we just showed you, it is only 60 marks. Okay, 10 marks is now going to come from your learner's diary. Okay, you have to submit it to your class teacher, and then another 10 marks will be coming from your multidisciplinary project, which you have to complete in your holidays. Okay, and after coming from holidays, you have to submit it to your class teacher. Okay, and then another thing from periodic test 1 was subject enrichment activity. Okay, that is an activity-based evaluation. Okay, 5 marks will be given to you from that. So I told you also yesterday that it is a model-based evaluation. You have to prepare some models and submit to your respective subject teachers. Okay, so subject enrichment activity will be subject-specific. So 6 subjects means you have to make 6 subject enrichment activity, and then 1 period multidisciplinary project. Okay. So I hope you will do all those things promptly and in the early part of the holidays, so that you don't lag time towards the end of your holidays. Then obviously you have to revise your term 1 at your home. Okay, write as much as possible. Okay, take a new copy out and try to finish it from start to last page. Obviously, your homework will be given to you in each subject today. So try to finish them as well. And with that, I conclude whatever I wanted to say. And I wish you all a happy Dasara. Okay? Thank you so much.